crazy.
It's your boy, J Too Smooth. We'll be back with another banger, man. Hey, we out here at this car show right now. See it. It's already busting, man. We just got here. We's on the road, and we're in Naperville right now. Zachy Dacky finna swing it. Got my guy Q and West with me. We here, man. Hey, I should get out there and swing some, but hey, I ain't gonna go too crazy. I learned my lesson about swinging, man. Pop the tire. They out here with it, man. Hey, but I'm about to flip the camera around so y'all can see. But got my guy. Dad's up with me, man. You know with me. We out here, man. I need some money anyway. They out here going crazy.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that nigga Zach been
Where the fuck that beat coming from? He had to be practicing.
No, he had been. He been showing me every weekend. He going to practice in the warehouse.
That mug though, I ain't gonna lie. You know, it's packed in that thing out here, boy.
I got my shit in the car.
Hey, I'm a swingy dingy.
What you got, buddy? What you got?
That's that Mustang. That's that Mustang for you.
Record.
Them must like decent though. He tweaking. No. Spin those things. Let's go spin that thing, man.
No, if I had some ties, hell yeah.
You just spin that thing. Dino, why you ain't spin that thing?
I'm gonna fuck my shit up, though.
Baldy.
My wire's hanging out.
They what?
It's too constant. But look.
Y'all feel him sprinkle? Then he been.
Look, hey, they got the drone in front of him. They fuck.
They changing them? This got that man up there looking through the window. Right, we over there with it. The cops gonna be here any minute. Any minute.
I'm gonna Gucci get it going. Post my shit.
They finna have the cops here any minute. There they go right there.
Yeah.
Right over there. Y'all see them?
Oh, that is them.
Come over here, Cuddy. And they coming in fast. Come on. But that's only one of them.
Hey, no, that's strict though. We gonna get literal on this.
They got the copy doppies over there. That's only one of them though.
That's alright.
It's only one of them, Cuddy.
We walking. We ain't running. It's only one.
It's only one of them. Hey, we might as well get in the car for.
Oh,
That is.
all of this shit.
He up there calling, balling. Hey, I don't want nobody hitting my car at all. That boy in the car ready. Why you ready, Cuddy?
I don't play that game.
Where Dad's at? Cause he finna get lefty deafy. Where Dad? We already got the door open ready.
They steady coming in. It's fine.
Come on. Come on. YouTube? We back. We at the crib right now. You know, everything got shut down tonight. Cops was all over the place, so I chose to just come back home, stay out the way. You know what I'm saying? Hey, the cops like messing with you. I don't know for what reason, but they just like messing with you. So I came back to the crib. All my other guys went to the crib too, and you know, I had fun tonight, man. I hope y'all like the footage. Subscribe, you know, like, comment. Let me know, you know what I'm saying, more videos I should do. Let me know what you guys like. And definitely, you know what I'm saying, turn on post notifications so you can see when the next video come. It's going to be videos coming all the time. You know, every day videos going to be dropping. And, you know, I just want you guys to just stay posted, stay tuned, because everything just getting better from here on out. Pranks, vlogs, everything, you name it. Motivation. We just going to get better and better every day. Hey, can y'all see me? I think y'all can see me. Y'all can see me. Boy, if you don't. But yeah, we just gonna get better every day. And you know, like, subscribe, comment to the channel. We going up all 2021, 22. We going in like, hey, like a wrecking ball. We coming in 22. You know, going crazy. So let's build that up. And you know, appreciate it all the people that support me. Definitely don't go unnoticed. So man, let's get it. Let's go. Hey, I'm out.
Now, me and my brothers, we about to take off in this bitch. We came for the crowd. I'm back in this bitch and I'm ready for action. That goes for any of you fuck niggas asking. Know what to do soon as I get the black and pick out a suit and go get you a casket. Ain't nothing new, nigga. I'm an assassin. I'm only here to show niggas the business. I'ma get back to counting this chicken and flipping this pack as soon as I'm finished. Y'all better tell him. Y'all better school him. Hope he approaching, he know what he doing. Cause I do the most, I'ma over abuse. And what he deserve, I was over here cool and minding my own. Trying to get 5 out of zone. All while I'm climbing the throne. That is my word. I know it's time to serve, but I'ma get mine till it's gone. Pick up the phone. Call all them niggas you know when you tell them I want all the smoke. Yeah, yeah. Tell them I scraped all the shit off my plate and I'm ready for more. Yeah, yeah. They looking surprised. They thought it was time. Let's settle the score. I'm ready to ride. As soon as you say that you wanna collide, you better be sure. Cause I'm trained to go.
Can't let up with these niggas. They don't want me around. That's funny. You really think you can catch up to me, nigga?